Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Android model and OS level. This matters because parts and menus differ. Once done, backup photos and contacts to avoid data loss if a reset or repair is needed. Then power off the phone and remove the SIM tray. That prevents accidental damage. Use a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Now grab a small screwdriver and plastic pry tool. You'll use them next to access the volume button area safely. You should next test whether the issue is hardware or software. Reboot into safe mode. If volume works, an app is the culprit. Also check settings for button remapping or accessibility overrides and install any system updates. Software fixes are common. If software rules out the problem, open the case carefully and inspect the volume button assembly. Look for torn ribbon cables, oxidized contacts, or misaligned actuators. Make sure to document what you see, because that guides whether you can attempt cleaning first. Apply 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to the contact pads and button area, then let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. This often restores conductivity. If cleaning fails, replace the defective switch or ribbon cable with a compatible part, then reassemble in the reverse order of disassembly, ensuring all clips and screws are secure. Once reassembled, boot the phone and verify volume functions. If problems persist, consider a factory reset or professional repair. If you choose reset, back up again first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.